What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a package from Target, a letter, and some beauty pops. Let's get into it. Alright guys, and before I get started on the video, I do want to say thank you for everyone that has liked, commented, subscribed, followed me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you so much for the support. I'm currently, I guess, on the road for 6,000 subscribers. I do have something planned for that giveaway, which in the upcoming videos you will get some sort of details. But again, if you're not subscribed, think about hitting that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell. That way when future videos come out and future giveaways, you are notified. Again, guys, thank you so much. On the video. Alright, so today's video, I have a package from Target, a letter from a follower, and I got some beauty pops that I was able to find locally at my Target. So, first up, I do have a letter here from a follower that I've had the privilege to get to know a little bit. Her name is Jen, that's all I'm going to say. She did send me this letter. Unfortunately, I haven't had really much time. I've been pretty busy. But let's go ahead and open it. I know she sent me something. I sent her something a while back. Again, Jen, thank you so much. You did not have to send me anything. I definitely do appreciate it. So the card says, just a little thank you. Alright, so the card says, hi Trey and family. I know I thanked you online, but I wanted to take a minute to thank you for these sodas. They will fit perfectly in my collection. I appreciate your support through my difficult health struggle. I am happy to report that I am doing well, but still not done fighting until I get the cancer-free diagnosis. Love, Jen. Jen, thank you so much. I definitely do appreciate that. I do hope that you get well very, very soon and you will beat this cancer. Yeah, thank you so much. I definitely do appreciate it. I will keep this card forever. It really does mean a lot. Yeah, I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry it took so long to open this letter. I've just been really busy, but thank you for sending me this. It truly means a lot. Thank you. Alright, so next up, we do have a package here from Target. I'm actually surprised this already shipped. I have not seen anybody, but maybe depending on when this video comes out, you may have seen them on videos. I don't know yet, but we got our trusty knife that my good friend Camilo sent me, or gave me for this reasoning, just to open up some boxes. So, yeah. Just in case everybody's always asking, where'd you get the knife? Where'd you get this? Or, that's a pretty badass knife. Or, man. Yeah. So, yeah. Put our trusty knife away. Hopefully this is not damaged, because I know I've been getting a lot of stuff from Target damaged. And I'm going to go ahead and inspect it. Really, really good. Which it's already damaged. Alright, but either way, this is going to be the Leo in the turtle van from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. This is awesome. I am so glad I got this thing in my collection. The details on the van look amazing. Leo looks great. I am excited for this movie so much. I cannot wait to watch it. Oh man, I'm so glad I got this, because I have a feeling this is going to be super hard to find, especially after the movie comes out. This is truly amazing. So now I believe I am 100% complete with this line until obviously the new stuff comes out, but overall this is amazing. I'm so glad I got this. Let me know if you guys picked this up. I believe it's sold out on Target, the website. But hopefully soon hopefully you guys can actually find more in store, or hopefully you guys can get it if you are looking for this specific figure. So yeah, again, this is pretty awesome. I'm super glad to have it. On to the next. Alright, so again, continuing with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I was able to get some of these BD Pops of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So we'll go through the little packs. We have Splinter, Raphael, and Rocksteady. As you can see right there, we got that one. Then we also have Donatello, Shredder, and Baxter Stockman. Another great set. And then last but not least, we do have the 8-bit Raphael, Donatello, and Leonardo, which I like these. I really do like these. I'm so glad they made them. Of course, I'm a Ninja Turtle fan, so I had to get them. And then, of course, on the back here, we do have the different variations or the mystery biddies. You got the 1 out of 6 Casey Jones. You got the 1 out of 6 Leatherhead. You got the 1 out of 3 Mikey, the 8-bit, and then 1 out of 3 Bebop. So I'm pretty sure I put a picture of what the chances are of these, but overall this thing, yeah, let's just get into it. Obviously, I'm a huge Turtles fan. I do still need the Leo, Michelangelo, and April pack, which I have not come across yet. So hopefully soon I will find them. All right. So we have our BD Pops. We'll go ahead and just go like a quick look. Here is Donatello. Put him there. And I'm sure by the time I'm even going through these, I'm sure I'm doing some kind of camera close-up or whatever. But here's Leonardo, which, oh, kind of came out a little bit. And then we got Raphael, the 8-bit as well, which is pretty awesome. All right, so I'm not even gonna look at it because I know sometimes you can see on top of the 8-bit or the BD Pop because the plastic doesn't really cover it. So let's see which one we get. I would really like to get, let me see, I guess Casey Jones, 1 out of 6, but we'll see. All right, make sure I have it. All right, 3, 2, 1. What do we get? All right, cool. So we did get Leatherface, or Leatherhead, my bad. I'm thinking about a horror movie. All right, so we do have Leatherhead, which is 1 out of 6. Okay, cool. So that is pretty cool.
I found this on the web.
So now we have that. Pause. Next up, we do have the next BD Pop, which is going to be this 3-pack, which is Donatello, Shredder, and Baxter Stockman. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we get, and maybe we'll get Casey Jones. I don't know. All right, so quick here. We'll go real quick. We got Baxter Stockman. We have Shredder, which is pretty cool, by the way. Let's see, what else do we got? And then we got Donatello. Wait a minute, hold on. This is very interesting. So I just kind of looked down right now and I just realized, look at the top of Leo's thing. Leonardo. And I believe that's Greedo from the Star Wars. That is crazy. I think that's Greedo. I don't know who the hell that is. But that's sure as hell not Leonardo. That is pretty... Would that be considered an error? Now I gotta double check these. Let's see what we got. That's hilarious. Would that be considered an error? More valuable? Just kidding. That kind of sucks though, because now I gotta go find another Leo that doesn't have... That is hilarious. Alright, so... Let's see. Having a little trouble with this one. That's funny. Right? Would that be considered a... I don't know, maybe how like the other... What was it? The Batman? Who was it that had like a misprint? I don't know. Alright, 3, 2, 1. What do we get? All right, so we did get Bebop. This is going to be 1 out of 3. Yeah, 1 out of 3. All right, so we did get Bebop, which is pretty cool. Let's look at everything, make sure there are no misprints or anything like that. But yeah, overall, that's super cool. All right, last pack. Hopefully, we can get the perfect pull. Maybe we get a Casey Jones. Let's see. Let's see what we get. And then, of course, we are going to go over this really quick. We do have our Splinter, which is right there, a little Splinter. And then we do have Raphael. Pretty awesome. And then we do have Rocksteady. Pretty cool. All right, and then we have our last mystery Beady Pop. All right, so let's... Man, I cannot get these without looking. All right, got it. All right, last Beady Pop. Let's hope for Casey Jones. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What do we get? Okay, cool. So we did get Michelangelo, which is still pretty awesome. Make sure everything is good on this as well. Yeah. So we got the 8-bit Michelangelo. That is pretty awesome, which is 1 out of 3. All right, cool. So I didn't do too bad. I still need Casey, but hopefully I can get that one really soon. Let me know what you guys think of these Beady Pops. Do you like them? Do you hate them? You're just not into them? I mean, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I don't think they're that bad. If I'm being completely honest, I don't think they're that bad. I am happy that they made Ninja Turtles. I am happy that Ninja Turtles are starting to get some love again. I don't think if they made Ninja Turtles, I don't think I would get them. But then again, they did announce some Marvel ones, which are still pretty cool. Some Harry Potter. I mean, there's a lot more that they're making, but again, I've been real selective of what I've been buying. A lot of Ninja Turtle stuff, obviously. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like the Beady Pops? Tell me what you guys think about the Ninja Turtle van. And of course, Jen, thank you so much for the letter. I definitely do appreciate it, and I hope all goes well with you in the future. Again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. And of course, see you on the next video.